phone restarted. That's why there is a late. Now, once again, welcome you in English class, right? I am Kapil and you know that I am taking your English class, right? Now, I want to call the student, right? He or she is switch on their mic and camera. He or she is switch on their mic and camera. Abhi.
Yes, sir.
On your camera, beta. On your camera. Abhi, on your camera. Please, beta. Where is the textbook, notebook? Where is the textbook, notebook? Show me your material. You don't have your notebook, textbook? You don't have your textbook, notebook? Tell me, beta. You don't have your textbook, notebook? Say me yes or no, dear. Deven.
Yes, sir.
On your camera.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay. Now every day you have to keep it with you, beta. Whenever you join your English class, every day you have to keep it with you. Deven, on your camera. Deven. Deven, on your camera. Okay. Now today I will discuss some wildlife, right? Now we are knowing that in Gujarat, which is the biggest forest in Gujarat? Which is the famous forest in Gujarat?
Girnar.
Girnar is the mountain, I think, beta. I think Girnar is a mountain. I am talking about forest. I'm talking about forest, which is the big forest in Gujarat. And famous also we can say that. And you say that Girnar, but not Girnar, actually Gir. Actually Gir. Now we know that in Gir forest, there are lots of wildlife, right? Birds, animals, leopards, foxes, and the main Gir is known for what? Gir is known for what?
Sir,
Am I audible to everyone? Yes. Am I audible to everyone? I want each and every student to answer. Then why are you not replying? When I am asking you a question, do you want that only one-way communication is going on? Tell me. Do you want this thing? Whether it means I will do you want this thing? Tell me. Then why are you not replying me? Why are you not replying me? Whenever I am asking you a question, you have to give me an answer. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Gir is mainly known for lion. Right? Now here in this chapter, we talk about leopard. Now you know that one thing about leopard. Now leopard and cheetah both are different. Though they are belong from same category, same family, they belong from the cat family. But then and then after there are a lot of differences between them. Cheetah is a fast runner, is the fastest runner animal. Right? Even the cheetah has a separate dot, while the leopard has a cluster of the dots. Cluster of the dots. Though it's not same, one leopard to another leopard, all bodies, all the clusters are the same. No, somewhere small, somewhere big, somewhere the medium size, in that way. Now another thing that leopard attack once on human beings, right? If the leopard tastes the blood of human being, then after the leopard attacks only the human being. They will never attack any animal, only and only attack on the human being. Do you know this thing, beta? Do you know this thing? Tell me. Do you know this thing?
Yes, sir.
Now my voice is coming properly, dear. Now my voice is coming properly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's already coming. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second thing. In Gujarat, near Dahod, right? LEOPARD, and the name of, I think, exactly I'm not sure, LEOPARD. That in Panchmahal, we can say that in Panchmahal. There is one sanctuary, and this sanctuary is still known for the leopards. This sanctuary is still known for the leopards. And as even this thing is what? The leopard is continuously attack on the human beings because it tastes the blood of the human. Same thing like what we can say is that Girnar, right? The people are living in Girnar, Gir forest, right? They also sometimes attacked by the lion. Even in Gir forest also, the leopards who are living there, they also attack on human beings. So in this way, and that's why we know that there is one rule that we cannot kill those leopards and wildlife, but we can just cage that. We can cage those wildlife. Yes. Yes. Yes.
सर आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है, गूंज रही है सर। सर
Yes.
आपकी
Yes,
आवाज
beta.
ठीक से नहीं आ रही है।
See, beta, you know that today's atmosphere, right, might be because of the atmosphere, the network issue is there. From my side, or I'm not telling you only from my side, might be your side also is there the problem, right? So please cooperate with me.
Yes, sir.
I have not put all of you for the lecture mode, but I am just keep on regular mode. I am not put all of you in lecture mode, but you should mute yourself. Whenever asking the question, you will give me the answer. So here in this thing that you have to learn, now our new chapter is regarding the leopard. The name of the chapter is itself only the leopard. The name of the chapter is leopard. And it was written by Ruskin Bond. It was written by Ruskin Bond. Now, I will discuss some facts. I will discuss some facts about the leopard. That what are the facts about leopard? Now, here says what? That it was one of the 5 extant species in the genus Panthera. Now panther is also look like them. Now panther, what is the color of panther? Anyone have idea? What is the color of panther? Anyone have idea? Tell me. Anyone have idea what is the color of panther? Might be you had seen the movie.
Black.
Right. It was in yes, it was in black color, and he says that a member of the cat family Felidae. He was the member of the cat family, and it occurs in the wild range in sub-Saharan African, in some part of the Western and Central Asia, Southern Russia, and on the India subcontinent to Southeast and East Asia also. And it listed vulnerable and red list because leopard population are threatened by the habitat loss and fragmentation. Right? This is the thing. Even he was, the subfamily is Pantherian, genus is Panthera. Second thing it says that what? That is lifespan. They talk about the lifespan. So leopard's lifespan is 12 to 17 years. Right? Leopard's lifespan is 12 to 17 years, and the height of their male height of these males, those male leopards, the height is 60 to 70 centimeter, while female's height is 57 to 64 centimeter. 57 to 64 centimeter, and the base and color of the leopard's coat is creamy yellow on the belly and darkens slightly to an orange brown on the back. A dipping solid black spot in the present on the leopard limbs and head, and this spots from the circular rosette patterns that are golden or umber in color. You notice this is the facts of that. These are the facts about the leopard. Understood, beta? Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
Now, I will give you the objectives. I will give the objectives that what we have to learn from in this chapter. Learn from this chapter, right? So you have to write down, give the title, the leopard, give this title, the leopard, and here I wrote one thought on the board. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature, have faith in yourself. If you, okay, these thoughts you have to write down backside of your notebook. This thought you have to write down backside of your notebook. It will help you. Now, every day I will give at least one thought. Might be one every day, or alternate day I will give one thought. So you have to make write down in your backside of the notebook. Then after, what you have to do? After give the title, you will write down objectives. You will write down objectives. Now why I am giving the objectives? Because whenever you start the reading, question answers and whatever the chapters you will start to read, that time you know about these things that we are learning, or we learn these three things in this chapter. So first objective, to gain awareness on animal protection, you have to write down in your notebook. Second, whose mic is on, beta? Someone mic is on.
सर
Yes.
सर काफी
Yes.
ना माइक बंद करे डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है
Kavya Kasundra, mute yourself, beta. Mute yourself.
Friends, record.
Did you write this thing, beta? Did you write this thing? Deven, show me your notebook, beta. Deven, show me your notebook. Standard 5th students, this is not your lecture, it is the 8th standard students lecture. You have to join Preeti ma'am's lecture. Deven, Prakash,
yes sir
on your camera.
क्या है
On your camera. I said on your camera, dear. On your camera. Prakash, on your camera. Show me your notebook. Show me your notebook.
सर नोटबुक नहीं लिए दीजिए
Why? Beta, you know that our term 1 syllabus is going on. You say that I have a no textbook, I have a no notebook. How can you prepare it? How can you prepare it? You should purchase your notebook and textbook, beta. You should purchase your notebook and textbook. Because you know that our regular classes is going on. Bhumi?
Yes, sir.
Show me your notebook, beta. On your camera and show me your notebook. Okay, very good, beta. Right. Did you make an index? Did you leave the page for the index, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
first of all, now here there are these three things we have to learn here. Number one, to gain awareness on animal protection. Now we all know that wild animal is there. So how do we protect? How do we protect ourselves? And we have to gain awareness from this chapter. Second, to recognize the compassion felt by the narrator. What do you mean by the compassion? Anyone have idea? What do you mean by the compassion? Anyone have idea? What do you mean by the compassion? Neha? 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 Do you know what is the meaning of compassion? Hello?
Meaning
Anyone
of
have?
compassion.
So can I?
Meaning of compassion.
Yes, beta. Tell me, Bhumi.
No,
Tell
sir,
me,
I am
Bhumi.
Yashika.
Yes, Yashika, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Pity for somebody who is suffering.
Yes, pity for somebody who is suffer in pain. Write down the meaning of these words. Write down the meaning of these words. It means now you have a space, right? Only 3 to 4 line might be you have to complete, or might be 6 or 7 lines. So there is a lot of space. So downside you have to write down hard words. Downside you have to write down hard words, and write down this first word, compassion. Write down the meaning of this word, compassion. It means pity for someone. Pity for someone who is suffering from pain. Who is suffering from pain. Or we can say is the understanding or pity for somebody who is suffering. Who is suffering. Understood? Understood, dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here in
Yes,
this chapter,
sir.
what will you learn? What will you learn? That in this chapter you will learn about that the narrator felt some pity towards that leopard. Right? Now what happened? The hunters are there. The hunters are there and they killed what? They killed the leopard. And that's why the narrator felt some pity towards that wild animal. Though we know that leopard is dangerous for us, dangerous for the human beings. They kill it. But the narrator's intention is what? We don't kill it. We have to just give the injection of for the faintness, and we give. It means the leopard they want to give to the forest authority. So they can take care of that leopard. But what happens? The hunters killed the leopard. Then to identify and compare the qualities of the narrator with the poetess. Poetess means what? Anyone have idea what is the meaning of poetess? Anyone have idea there? Poetess. Hello? Anyone have idea?
Who kills animals?
Who kills animals or takes wild animals, right? On the transfer or sale. Right? Who kills an animal? It means simple word is what? Hunter. Right? We call it hunters also. Am I right or wrong? Who kills animals? Who kills animals? So hunters. Am I right or wrong, dear? Hello?
Right, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Why are you not like not because of the today's atmosphere you are not interested for the study? Tell me. Tell me, dear. Are you not interested for the study because of the today's atmosphere? Tell me. Okay. Now, I am giving you name of the three animals. Now I am giving you name of the three animals. Now you have to give me the difference between them. Tiger. Number one is tiger. Number two is leopard. And number three is panther. What is the difference between them? Tell me. What is the difference between them? Tiger, panther and leopard. What is the difference between them? Anyone have idea? Tell me. Vian. Give me the reply, dear. This is not good thing that you are not replying me. Janvi, Budaka. Neha. Have you any idea, beta? Neha?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, please repeat the name. So what were the names? Tiger, panther and?
Leopard.
Okay.
Leopard. Naitik Shukla, this is the 7th standard, 8th standard meeting, beta. Leave this meeting, dear. Okay. Arpita.
Yes, sir.
Have you idea that what are the difference between tiger, leopard and panther?
Sir, the leopard have some spotted black dark.
Yes, spotted some black spot. Then?
But tiger have not dark spots. They have lines like there, orange, dark orange, or like two type lines are there, and the panther has no type of spots. They are doing black.
Yes, right. First thing is what, that all are belong from the cat family. Number one is that all are belong from the cat family. Second thing is what? Second thing is what? That they have all are different but belong from the same family. It means what? Suppose we can say that panther have a no black spot. They full in color black. Their eyes is yellowish color eyes. While tiger have a orange and black strip. We can say is lines. Right? While leopard, that is what? They have a yellow creamy color and they have a black spot on their legs, it means on limbs and on their head. Understood? Understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Wait a
Yes,
minute,
sir.
students.
Yes,
Wait a
sir.
minute. Wait a minute. Hello? 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 Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will discuss I'll discuss with you some few things more. Now first of all we talk about the characters. We talk about the characters. So which are the main characters in this story? So number one, narrator. Number one, narrator. Number two, the hunter. Number three, the leopard. Right? These are the characters. These are the characters. Now, apart from, we talk about the place. So, which is the place here? The writer talk about here. See, in your warm-up exercise, you can see that this is a picture of an Asiatic cheetah, also known as Iranian cheetah. Right? It is critically endangered animal found only in Iran now. It is used to be found in India as well as where the totally extinct now. In India, the last cheetah was killed in 1950, which 1950. There is a cheetah in India, and it was the last cheetah, and it was killed by one Britisher. Second thing, nowadays we can find cheetah only and only in India. Previously we can find the cheetah in Africa also. Some animals are endangered because they are hunted for sport, for money, sport or for money. And hunters find the hunt extinct to they shell the skin for or other parts of the animals for the lot of money. You know this thing? Do you know this thing that those wild animals nowadays extinct, and that's why the government put what? Some laws. If we kill it, it means we are getting the punishment. We are getting the punishment. You know that in India there is one village where you want to cut a single branch of the tree, you have to take the permission of whole villagers, all the villagers. Do you know that village name? Do you know that the name of the village? Hello? Do you know that name of the village? Hello? Am I audible to everyone? First of all, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes.
Then why are you not replying me? See beta, when you are not replying, it means you are demoralized to your teacher. Right? And I don't want that my students will do this. Do you know the name of the village where we want to kill any animals?
No, sir.
In Rajasthan?
No, sir.
In Rajasthan? Okay. In Rajasthan, there is the name of the village. The village name is Bishnoi. Village name is Bishnoi. Right? You can find out, those who are came with me during the Rajasthan tour, they know about the black buck, deer, peacocks. They are flying and moving here and there, totally full of freedom. Right? Now students, what you have to do? So today you have to write down those hard words in your textbook. You have to write down in your notebook. Don't leave the meeting because I want to take your attendance. I want to take your attendance. Don't leave your meeting. Okay. Apart from anyone have a doubt, you can ask me. So I will resolve it first of all. Then after I will go forward. Anyone have a doubt? You can just ask.
No, sir, no doubt.
Surely? Sure?
Yes,
Sure
sir.
you have no doubt? Okay. So don't leave the meeting because I want to take your attendance first of all. And second thing, second thing, that inform to your classmates he or she should join the lecture regularly. He or she should join the lecture regularly. Okay everyone, bye bye, take care.